In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace this AC high pressure line that goes from the AC compressor to the condenser on this Toyota Corolla. Let's get into it. Before you start this job, make sure you bring the vehicle to a local shop to have the refrigerant extracted. Otherwise, you're not going to be able to take components apart. There's going to be refrigerant that's pressurized in there, so you want to get that removed. Take this grill off, use some trim tools. We'll just pop these pins out. And right here, now take this bolt out. Use a 10mm socket. Now grab the grill and just slide it forward. It's just clipped in. Now we're going to take this line off. Use a 10mm socket. Take this bolt out. And just grab the line and just wiggle it out a little bit. You're going to hear a little bit of hiss. That's because there's a vacuum on the system. Just a little bit. There's no pressure, so that's okay. So that's loose. Now on the top of the compressor, you see this bolt right here. You can use a 10mm socket. Loosen that bolt up. And take that out. Just use a magnet and pull that out. I'm going to reach down and grab that line, just wiggle it out a little bit. And it slides off. And to get the line out, we're going to need to rotate it. Pull the line out here. Just try to rotate it past this line. Like that. That's the top part. And then the bottom part, do the same. Just as you're pulling it out, if anything's in the way, just rotate it. And it slides right out. Now to take the line, you want to lubricate the O-ring. Just use some AC oil, the correct AC oil. And then we'll just slide this down the same way it came out. Right there. Slide it back. And this one is going to go this way. Before we attach that one, now we're going to tip this end down. And we're going to go around the hose. Right there. And it's going to go through. And twist it right there. So that's in the right location there. Now attach the line to the compressor. Just line it up. Just rock it back and forth a little bit. You don't want to rip that O-ring. That's on there. Now we can put the bolt in. Get the bolt started. And tighten it down. And just snug it. And if you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 89 inch-pounds. the top line, line it up, and snug it in place. Put the bolt in, and snug it down. And if you can get a torque wrench in there, you want to torque that to 89 inch-pounds. That's good. Take the grill, line it up, and push it back. You want to lock it in place. Just push it in so it clips in. Now put this screw in, tighten it down. And the two side push pins, push those in place. Now you want to bring the vehicle to your local shop that you had the refrigerant removed and have them reinstall the refrigerant.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.